Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'll be showing you the steps on how you can add email to your Roblox account. So I'm going to be showing you the steps on how you can do it. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So to begin with, you'll need to open up your web browser, and then on the search box, you'll need to type in www.roblox.com. So first of all, you'll have to log in into your Roblox account. As you can see that I'm already logged into your account, and once you're logged into your account, you'll be directed to the home page. Now on this interface, in the top right corner, there is a gear icon. Click on it. Once you click on the gear icon, a drop down menu appears, and from the list, click on settings. So then you'll be directed to my settings page, and under it you'll be able to see your account info. Right in between there will be an option as email address, and then right in the corner or just next to it there is an option as add email. Click on it. Once you click on add email, now you need to enter in the email that you want to link it with your Roblox account. Once you're done entering the email, now you need to verify it. So a verification link will be sent to the email that you recently added, and then click on OK. Open up your Gmail. See, as you can see that I've received a verification email. Now open it. Now once you open up the email, there will be some statements, so make sure to go through it and then click on verify email. As you can see that I've added an email as well as verified it. And similarly, if you want to add a phone number, do the same process, that is add phone number, and then you need to type in the phone number, and once you do that, click on add phone number, and you'll also need to verify your phone number. So then an OTP will be sent through an SMS, and you need to enter it right over here, and after that you've successfully added as well as verified your phone number. So that is how you can add contact info on your Roblox account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.